So we'll start this practice lying on our backs. So gently make your way down to your mat, hugging both knees into your chest. Just take a few moments in this shape. Your knees can either be straight in towards your chest, maybe you need a little bit more space in your middle so they're out by your sides. Wherever they're at, just gently feel your back. Just pressing into the mat. Just take a few centering breaths here in preparation for our practice. Adding just a little bit of movement on each inhale, hug your knees in a bit closer to your chest. Just this little slight movement. And as you exhale, maybe they lift away from your body just a little bit. Inhale, drawing your thighs and knees in closer towards your belly and your chest. And exhale, just gently let the legs just float away from you. One more time like that. Inhale, drawing the knees in, gentle movement here. Exhale, release the knees away. You can place your palms on your belly, on your chest, maybe open your arms out by your sides, wherever feels good. It's all about the legs. Just gently let your knees fall left and right, side to side. It does not have to be a huge movement here. Gentle twists, so no need to let your knees fall all the way down to the floor. You can hover above the floor. And as you easily glide from side to side, this is a little massage for your back, as well as starting to just warm up the oblique muscles in your abs, along the sides of your bodies. And come back to center, hugging knees in. As you exhale, extend your legs out long in front of you, no bend in the knees, and reach your arms up and above your head. Hopefully there's nothing blocking you. Take a nice full inhale. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, bend your knees, draw them back into your chest. Nice and slow here. No need to rush between these two movements, but we'll take that a couple of times. Exhale, extend your legs long in front of you. Arms reach up and above your head, reaching for the wall that's behind you. One more time, bend your knees, drawing them into your chest. Lowering your arms to grab onto your knees. Last time, legs and arms reach long and away from each other. We call this a good morning stretch, extended savasana. And exhale, bend your knees, hug them in. Take a breath. Little movement in the feet now. Make this as organic as possible. Gently rolling the ankles clockwise and counterclockwise. Maybe play around with rolling in opposite directions. Left ankle rolls towards the left, right ankle rolls towards the right. You can roll both ankles together in the same direction or alternate. Notice if that feels any different. point and flex the toes. So again, the movement originating from the ankle, flexing and extending at your ankle joint, pointing your toes down towards the floor, and flex at your ankles to point them up towards the ceiling. Extension, flexion. Now bring your heels together so your feet make a V. And cross your right foot in front of the left so your feet make an X. Point your toes down. Flex at the ankles, make a V. Cross your left foot over your right, make an X. Point your toes down. A couple more times like that, alternating which foot comes in front. Moving from your V's to your X's, pointing and flexing. Finish up both sides so you're nice and even. Crossing right foot over left. One last time. Make a V. Left foot over right. One last time. And the last movement that we'll do is just scrunching your toes, making a fist with your feet on your inhale. Exhale, spread the toes wide. A lot of space in between your toes. Maybe give them a little wiggle. Inhale, crunch the toes, make a fist with your feet. Exhale, spread the toes wide. Give them a little wiggle. A couple more times like that, scrunching the toes and then spread them wide. And to close out our practice, take any combination of those movements in the feet. So maybe it's circling out the ankles, maybe you're pointing and flexing your toes, making your V's and your X's, or all of the above. Anything that feels good to your feet, your ankles, your toes, the soles of the feet from the heels, from the sole to the heel. Whole foot is what I'm trying to get at. Anything that feels good. And find some stillness in your practice. Nice full inhale. Wide open mouth exhale. Two more like that. Big deep inhale. Really feel your navel draw into your spine. Belly draws in. Exhale. Puff the belly out. Release. One more time. Inhale. Deep breath in. Exhale, let it out. It's the end of our practice for today. Thank you.